Welcome everyone. Today we're uncovering the best IPTV provider in Mexico, 2TV.store. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is revolutionizing how we consume media nowadays. 2TV.store stands out by offering a diverse range of channels catering to all interests. From sports to movies and kids shows, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Before we dive in, make sure to check out their free trial option to test it yourself. Let's go step by step on how to sign up for 2TV.store's IPTV subscription. First, head over to 2TV.store and select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Fill out the required information, like your email and payment details, to proceed smoothly. Once your account is set up, you will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Now it's time to set up your device. 2TV.store easily supports multiple devices, including smart TVs. You'll be guided through the installation process, which should only take a few minutes. Enjoy your favorite shows on 2TV.store. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments.